Understanding, to run hot and cold, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations. To run hot and cold. This idiom can be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we're here to clear things up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started. To run hot and cold is an idiom used to describe a situation or a person's feelings that are inconsistent or changeable. Imagine turning on a tap that unpredictably gives you either hot or cold water, and you'll have a good picture of what this phrase means. When someone's attitudes or feelings run hot and cold, they can be very enthusiastic or positive at one moment, and then suddenly become indifferent or negative the next. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. In relationships, my friend's feelings toward her partner seem to run hot and cold. One day she's talking about how much she loves them, and the next day she's not sure if she wants to stay together. 2. At work, my boss runs hot and cold with his feedback. Sometimes he's really pleased with my work, and other times he barely acknowledges my efforts. 3. Interests and hobbies. I run hot and cold with my hobbies. I can be obsessed with painting for weeks, and then suddenly switch to reading novels. Knowing when and how to use to run hot and cold can help you express yourself more accurately in English. This phrase is often used to describe someone's unpredictable behavior or feelings, talk about fluctuating interest in activities or hobbies, explain the inconsistent nature of relationships or situations. It's a figurative way to communicate the variability of emotions, interests, or reactions, making your description more vivid and relatable. Let's put our knowledge into practice with a quick exercise. Try to create your own sentences using to run hot and cold. Think about a situation in your life, or perhaps create a fictional scenario where this idiom would perfectly describe the inconsistency of feelings or actions. This practice will not only help you remember the idiom but also improve your ability to express complex emotions in English. And that's a wrap on to run hot and cold. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this intriguing idiom for you. Remember, idioms are a fun way to spice up your language and sound more like a native speaker. Don't hesitate to run hot and cold with learning them. Explore at your own pace, and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.